Story What is Inside the Box. Pia and her brother Amit walk home from the post office. Amit carries a box. I am so excited. What is inside the box that Grandma sent us? I don't know. I want to open it. Me too. They see their friend Rohan. Rohan, hi. Hi Amit and Pia. What's inside the box? Hi Rohan. I don't know yet. Maybe a toy car. Rohan follows Pia and Amit. He wants to see what is inside the box. Soon they see Sonali. Sonali, it's good to see you, Pia and Amit. What is inside the box? Oh, we don't know yet. Maybe it's some cake and chocolates. Sonali follows Pia, Amit and Rohan. Sonali, they see Maria. Maria, hello everyone. Amit, what's inside the box? Hello Maria. I don't know yet. Maybe it is a box of crayons and some paints. Maria follows Pia, Amit, Rohan and Sonali. Soon they reach Amit and Pia's house. They go inside. Oh, I can't wait to see what is inside the box. Well, let us open it and see. Pia and Amit open the box. Amit, ho, the box is full with books. We can read so many stories. Look at Pia. Look at these lovely pictures.